Ever struggled with peeling and chopping garlic? Today, I'm testing the best and worst methods to see which ones actually work. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, I'm breaking down every way to peel and cut garlic, from classic knife techniques to viral kitchen hacks. Let's get started. First up, choosing the best garlic. Look for firm, heavy bulbs. Avoid soft, spongy cloves. And skip sprouted garlic. It's still usable but has a milder flavor. Fresh garlic has a stronger aroma, which maximizes flavor in your dishes. Now, let's get peeling. The palm smash method. Just press down with your palm to loosen cloves. Next, the knife smash technique. Use the side of a chef's knife for quick peeling. Or try the 2-bowl shake method. Shake garlic cloves in 2 bowls to remove skins. There's also the jar shake hack, a TikTok favorite. Just shake in a jar for easy peeling. And finally, the paring knife method, a precise, clean way to remove skins. Onto cutting and chopping techniques. Whole clove gives a mild flavor, best for roasting or infusing oil. Crushed garlic offers a light flavor, ideal for sauces and slow cooking. Sliced garlic has a medium flavor, perfect for stir-fries and seafood. Minced garlic has a strong flavor, great for soups, sautés, and dressings. Grated garlic is very strong. Use with caution. It's potent. And the garlic press? It releases the most juice for intense flavor. Finally, let's talk roasting for a mellow flavor. Whole bowl. Roasting, wrap in foil with oil. Roast until soft and caramelized. Or try slow simmering in oil to create garlic confit for a buttery, rich taste. Now, you know the best ways to peel and chop garlic. What's your go-to method? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to improve your knife skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cutting techniques.